Well, she said I was a prick, though I've been hiding on a mountainside.
This is the third chocolate milk this morning. He was about to leave it on the table and I said, no, sir.
Definitely a farm boy.
Here, you should pull over.
All right, we're good. You
Oh,
good?
God.
That was nasty. We're gonna have to find it.
Pretty much 100% of the dudes run tubeless, and then probably half and half run like push core inserts.
Gotcha.
But no tubes.
Unless it's free ride.
True.
Then it's a tube and it's 40
we
pounds.
did used to run tubes. Like
Come on, Wes.
back in the day.
Yeah, tube and 40.
Downhill.
Weston.
Weston, good meet you, man.
Yeah,
Brett.
you too.
Heck yeah, I've seen that couple videos of you actually. You're sending it.
No, thank you.
What's the biggest jump you've ever done?
Terrible, but yeah, they're getting there.
Maybe 70, 80 feet.
Yeah.
Dude, that's like the biggest jump I've ever done on my dirt bike.
See the bottom of your ears?
You just got to make the noise when you hit the jumps. You got to go yacht, yacht. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Just don't yeet. You want to yacht, no yeet.
Is Brett ready for a steeper trail?
I hope so, man. Yeah, Wes is over here. He's, you know, talking to Brett. I think they're gonna figure something out.
Okay.
Wesley knows the way.
Okay.
What trail you riding, buddy?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Undecided. Maybe we'll do high noon.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
All right, high noon it is.
Do it.
What up, Wes? I'm Wes.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Just don't dump it.
Sell them. I'm just worried about
I feel like it.
Look at that steez, that roll in on the front wheel.
Have you ridden this trail yet?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, it makes me feel better. But you're gonna hit that road jump, yeah? Road gap?
No, I don't know what it is. So.
Well,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
you'll probably do it without even
12
thinking.
feet long,
Oh,
probably.
I'm done there. That one's
That's a lot of feet. This is the 125 beginner class with the 250A class.
Brett, do you want to go first?
No, not even close.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
You did great, dude.
I'm scared to death.
I'm scared to death. I gotta watch you now.
No, I don't think we need that.
No, I gotta follow. That's it.
You did good.
Dude, legends following me.
You did good. That was like the first gap you've ever hit on a bicycle,
Makes me
right?
nervous. Yeah, but I couldn't. What was I supposed to do? Slow down?
No, you did good. You were a little noser, but you cleared it just good.
I gotta watch.
It was a little nose blow, dude. It scared me.
Okay, well, it felt good. It felt fine. Jeez.
Hey, maybe just a little. Or you want to follow one of them, or you want me to follow you?
I don't know if you want to follow me.
I definitely want to make it.
Yeah.
Yep, well.
Nice and smooth.
You want to go? Follow your brother?
Down in West Virginia, her daddy might just kill you, but I'm still walking proud today. Yeah, I'll be leaving her house just as quiet as a mouse. Drive to life and death the rain. There was a girl in town that asked if she was looking right at me, but I was looking at the door. There's no common sense when you're feeling your best, 'cause you know you're gonna hit the floor.
Ouchie. Dude, I've done my stuff all up.
More coastal cruising.
Bent up?
I
Oh,
figured,
shit.
dude, I wadded. I wadded pretty hard.
Up there?
Yeah,
Which jump?
it was after
Look at
the. Yeah, dude, I crashed pretty
Oh!
You
good.
good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How did you? What happened?
I don't know. I
Did they
landed-
get it? Were they
I
right
don't know.
there?
I think I might have been a little further down this, but this got it.
Oh, we're gonna have to get you some fresh.
Dude, how'd that thing not snap?
I
Dude.
feel so bad.
No,
I mean, that's pretty, I would say that's pretty high on the pay grade trail.
No,
Just in
you
general.
good?
I'm good. Yeah.
Just technically.
I thought you guys So that's why I was a little bit, my front end's crooked. I
what's up?
goobered up and went off the side right there.
Might be
Well,
bleeding, but you can
down
probably
she
still ride
goes.
down. Thank you, brother.
There was a girl in Texarkana wanted me to meet her man. I'm just here doing my thing. They're just living for the seasons. I was buying that beer, drinking apple and cheap champagne. There was a girl in North Dakota. She wants to get to know me, but I ain't even told her my name. Yeah, she thinks my name is John, or maybe Amy with the candy red jacked up look Chevrolet. But I'll be gone with the wind. There ain't no telling where I'll be. And if I fall and take a hit, no, I ain't gonna quit. I'm gonna kick the dirt off with a grin. There was a miss from San Francisco, but she said I was a prick though. I've been hiding on a
You're fired up right now.
Dude, it's so fun. So good. Walkers are taking good care of us.
100%.
This one's pretty good.
Thank you guys.
Sir.
Ew.
Let's go get some ramps again. At least I got a little warm up at Redmond's place. Not quite as nervous about the ramps, but apparently this one's about twice as tall.
If you don't want to do that, you don't have to.
It won't be bad.
KP sizing up this drop straight into ramp. I have no clue when he's dropping.
Got a stick on your shifter.
Oh. Thanks. Get on out of here. Who's going? You got it, Weston?
Yeah, you ready?
I was so close, dude. That was sick.
That was so sick.
Dude. I'll do a better nag-knacker.
I just see you guys behind me. That was sick.
Dude, we need to go do it again. I'm really sorry to make you guys push that bike up there so many times.
Are you good?
But dude, that's so sick.
And they just pull away from you.
Yeah.
You gain right back.
Yeah. Nice work. Hey, do it again. I'll get closer to you, okay?
Alright, yeah.
I want you to be able to see me in the air.
Alright, let's see.
Poor little guy's got to push his bike, but that's kid energy. Yeah! That was so sick. Dude, that was awesome. I wish I could do something cooler for you guys, but that's cool enough, man. Now we're playing with the even deck. My God.
How is it?
It's so fun. So
First
fun.
go? Just muddy? Was it easy?
Yeah, first and second time I landed a little long, but it's really way slower than I kind of
How's
thought.
the drop?
Oh, it's fine. It's no problem. But
Should I follow you?
I mean, I don't think so.
Okay.
Because I think that you got. I went behind him. He was going way faster than I was.
I'll give you a gap. You go. I want to watch you.
Okay.
Is it wood sketch?
No. I mean, it's really the only time that would be is if like you were really carving to whip it.
Yeah.
Because it's not like you get wheel spin or nothing if you're just going straight up it. Yeah. But plus I got the right tire on. I can get wheel spin anyways.
True.
Starcross 6 hooks up like a champ. Well, you told me redemption was okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Brought Wanda. I know. What was that like? Like, could you time it better where we're like actually close?
I was scared. I was like, should I stop? Am I gonna run into him? No.
Well, hey, if you need to, I'll hold my line. Oh, sorry, we touched tips. I'll hold my line on the ramp, like which side I'm at. If you need to come in faster, just go on the other. Like you can all have left, you have right, because that's more probably your sweeping line.
That is so sick. Oh, I want to watch this from down here.
I want you down there.